Hi everyone. So our today's project is to fix a vacuum cleaner. Okay, so here is our motor inside this one. We have to open. There is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. We have to open this one and let's see. We will find out what's the issue. And almost all vacuum in this shape, like a drum, have a same design, whatever it's from China or it's from Japan. Okay, so let's check now. What's the issue? Wires looks fine. Oops. Most remember one thing. Most of the time in these kind of vacuums have a loose connection problem. Okay, so let's check and let's find out if there is a loose connection. This looks okay. No, see, I'm right. So this wire is not attached. Okay, so let's check if there is anything else, if there is any other issue. So the design and motor will be the same, so it's the same way you can fix it. And for the motor problem, we will give a link in the description. You can watch how to fix the motor.
Everyone, please subscribe my channel.
Wait, wait, just hold down. Be careful, hold down. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we fix and let's check if it's working or no. Yeah.
Everyone, please subscribe my channel.